Greetings, ghoulies, and thanks for dragging your cadavers on over to the Haunt Box. Today, we're going to Disneyland to buy an exclusive only at the Star Trader from Star Wars, the remote-controlled Mouse Droid. I'll see you on the other side. Here we are at home with the Mouse Droid. I got him home, and he seemed to be the only one left on the shelf. He was needing a home, so I was glad to take him. He has a lot of packaging, so I'll show you the package from the outside first, and then we'll take him apart. There it looks like from the front. The top has a plastic opening so you can see inside. There's the side. And the other side. And which way would we go? It doesn't matter on the bottom. There's the bottom. And here is the back. And it retails for $54.99. Of course, if you're an annual pass holder or a cast member, then you get a discount. This has a lot of packaging, so we'll get through it in a moment. Let's see, what's the easiest way? Cut the tape on this side, that side, and right there. We'll slip it out. There you go. And I see the micro USB cable that it comes with on the bottom, because that's how you charge it. And these appear to be instructions. Yep. And the back is quite a plethora of little plastics there for me to cut. So I will stop the video. I will use the Force. And this will all be ready. Ta-da! It took a little bit more than the Force to get out of the packaging. After I got into it, it turned out all that plastic on the back was also on the bottom. It took a lot. So anyway, here it is. Here is the Mouse Droid. Weighs a couple pounds, not very heavy. It's got hard plastic wheels. And it's got a hook in the back if you want to buy others, like in the movie, where they'd be connected to each other. Right here on the side is the micro USB port. You just plug it in there, then plug it into your computer, or I guess you could plug it into an adapter if you have one, like for your iPhone. And where is it? Something else I found. When did this happen? When I was cleaning out the box. Missiles. The Mouse Droid can protect itself. It could have shot Chewbacca. So let's see. This is the remote. It comes with AA batteries already inserted, but you have to charge this before it can work. And the white button, well, you gotta turn it on the bottom. Let's turn it on. That is on. And then push the white button. Then the red will blink. That means it's syncing to the droid. And when it's solid, there it is, it's synced. So the blue button should be the opening of the doors. There it is. So let's load it. And it says that once you start shooting them, you can't reload until all 6 need to be reloaded. You can't just do the ones that you've already shot until they're all done. Oh, look at that, there's extra. So there's 12 altogether. Let's close it up. So, the blue button, the top blue button is what opens it up. And then the red button on the top of the blue here is what shoots it. That's pretty fun. Then we close it up. And these are the left and right when it's moving, and the backwards and forwards. And the blue button is the voice. When it moves, it's not going to move up here. But when it moves, it has the different voices that it does. So we'll take it out for a test drive and see how it works. Here we go. He certainly is a noisy little guy. He just talks when he goes along, you know, with his missiles and his voice. I think he is the Death Star bully. He must have had his little missiles with all the little children of the stormtroopers and taking their blue milk money every day. He can go backwards, forwards, and right now, and he just talks the whole time he's going. I think if I'm going backwards, yeah, if I hit the bottom blue button while he's going the direction that he's going, I could turn the voice off. Otherwise, he just keeps talking. There it goes. There he is. Star Wars Mouse Droid remote control. I must say, he's a lot of fun.